2 years ago, we launched the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA. The goal was simple: give enterprises a proven path to operationalize enterprise AI and prove ROI. Early adopters are seeing up to 2.6x ROI in just 1 year. So what's changed? 2 years ago, customers came to us just looking for hardware. As AI makes it faster and cheaper to build custom applications in-house, CIOs are moving towards owning their own AI infrastructure, bringing the compute where the data already lives. Now, customers are coming to us as a first step asking, how do we make our data AI ready? How do we deploy AI at scale? And how do we truly transform our business and prove ROI? The gap between experimentation and production, that's where most organizations get stuck. Here's what we've learned working with thousands of customers, from neoclouds to research institutions to enterprises of all sizes. First, you need a data platform that makes enterprise information AI ready while maintaining security and governance at scale. Most enterprise data sits in places inaccessible to AI engines. We've built the Dell AI Data Platform with NVIDIA to solve that exact problem, including our new data orchestration engine that transforms raw data into governed AI-ready datasets, and Dell Lightning File System, the world's fastest parallel file system, delivering up to 2x greater throughput than our nearest competitor. Second, you need infrastructure that scales from desktops to data centers. We will be the first OEM to ship Grace Blackwell 300 with our Dell Pro Max desktop, bringing enterprise-grade AI computing power directly to a developer's desk. At the data center level, our liquid-cooled, AI-accelerated Dell PowerEdge servers, including our flagship, the XE9812 with NVIDIA Vera Rubin NVL72 platform, deliver the performance you need for massive training and inferencing workloads. Third, you need solutions and services that accelerate your time to value. Our new modular architecture approach and AI blueprints compress timelines from months to weeks with embedded automation and validated designs. Our agentic AI platform helps enterprises design, deploy, and manage AI engines with strong governance and observability. We're a strategic advisor throughout the journey, not a vendor at the end with a quote. 2 years in, we're more convinced than ever. Enterprise AI success isn't about the most advanced technology. It's about an integrated approach that turns technology into measurable business results. The market is telling us this approach works. We just had our best enterprise AI quarter, and we're expanding to double our AI business this year. That growth reflects what we're seeing from customers. When you solve for data readiness, scalable infrastructure, and deployment expertise together, AI moves from experiment to a business driver. Dell is not just participating in the AI era. We are engineering it, we are enabling it, and we are leading it.